So we've already looked at applying for a student visa. In this case, it would be the Schengen visa for entering the Schengen area. Um, and this allows you entry from, this allows you entry into Spain upon arrival by plane. Once you would have arrived, you would then apply for a yearly student residence card. That would be using this form. It's called the EX-17 application for foreign for your foreign identity card. This form can be found on the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Foreign Affairs website, on your university's website, or at the embassy or consulate. The first step in completing this form is to fill in your passport information, date of birth, nationality, and that type of information. In step 2, you would fill in the name and contact for any representative that helped you fill this form. In step 3, your mailing address. In step 4, the you would select the type of application this is, whether it's an initial application or a renewal, which you would do for your consecutive years of applying for a student residence card. Next, you'd select the category, your situation or category for residence. In this case, studies. So you'd select here studies, research and information, research and training, exchange, internship, or volunteer work. You would also list any annexes, any documents that you'd like to include with the application. And that is basically it. And that's all you would need for the student residence card, is to complete this application and submit any required document copies.